Going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. We're about to go pick up some new wheels right now, my boy. Some new wheels for La Cholita. She's currently sitting on the D-class right now, but we're about to swoop some new wheels, because if you guys remember, these gonna be for the step slides. We're about to go swoop some new wheels right now with my boy. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Look at that. Pulling back up to Sag though. Gotta go all the way to Hayward to pick up the new wheels. Check him out. Ooh-wee. Also went out to Bay Point. I thought my boy get some wheels for his C10. You know what I mean? But check out the new wheels though, boy. Dub ballers for the Cholita. It's gonna look wet. Back home now with the wheels. Bro, I came up, bro. I can't believe it. I've been wanting to get the dub ballers again. I had these actually at one point on the Cholita, but in silver. So the fact that I got these again now, but in black, and now the color scheme on the Cholita is black now. It's got black headlights, and black side mirrors, and you know, so this is gonna go hand in hand with it. It's gonna look good. I can't wait to slap them on. Sheesh. Look at them things. Yes, sir. Dub skis, boy. And yes, they are. Where they at? Where the size at? 24's. Yes, sir. 24's. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow, though. What's going on, y'all? It is another day now. I'm about to wash my Cholita. Give her a nice little wash, and then I'm about to slap on the dub skis. You feel me? Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm about to give her a wash. You feel me again? I know she's not too dirty, but you can tell she's dusty. There you see, you can tell now. But yeah, she's dirty in my opinion, so I'm about to give her a wash so she's nice and clean. And then I'm about to slap on the dub ballers right now. And then maybe after I'm done slapping them on, we may or may not go slide it with my boy. Let's see how it slides the dub ballers on the force. And then I've been trying to get a tandem with my boy too. So yeah, let's give it a quick wash real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys slapping on the wheels. All right, I'm all done with the wash.
What?
I'm with my boy. What's up, buddy? Say what's up.
What's up?
About to give him a wash real quick with my boy. Then we're gonna slap him on a Cholita. The last time she'll look like this on the D-clads. Let's give him a wash though. All right, so we got them all cleaned up. They're all nice and shiny now. Not too bad. Not too bad, huh, Betty? They look good?
Bad.
They look good?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's slap them on then. It's about to look so good, bro. I can't wait. All right, so I'm gonna put you on some quick games so you can save yourself some money, because you could go get tire plugs that are like 15, 20 bucks, maybe $10, depending where you go. But anyways, you get yourself a little kit like this. This was inside of this originally, but I banged it out with the hammer. What you're gonna do is put this on the drill. I'll show you right now. But yeah, you can save yourself some money. Just take this out, put it in the drill. I'll show you right now. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put it on the drill like that. Put your plug, take it out with one of these. You can tell I got one right there. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna use this one right here to make the hole bigger, and then I'm gonna use, sometimes you don't even really have to use this one, you use this, but I'll put you on game real quick. Save yourself some money. See if we can do it with one hand.
Hey guys, let's do this. You did it! You did it, Dad!
I did it, buddy.
Woo!
Take that nail out. You take it out. Here you go. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but you don't want to go too far deep. And then you pull out And like that, you did a tire plug at home.
Yeah, we did
We
it.
did it, buddy. Like
Yes,
that, you do a
sir.
tire plug at home. You ain't even got to go pay nobody.
What?
Gucci. And what you do after is you cut off a little tip with your thing, and that's it. Or with a razor, knife, whatever you want to use. Just like that, I did 2 tire plugs. 1, 2. Saved myself like 30, 20 bucks right here. Instead of having to go pay someone, you could do this at home. All right, I got the new wheels on. I'm about to give you guys a little cold start off from the rear. I want to show you guys the wheels. I'm gonna park it in the front. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the side of the street. You feel me? It's gonna look better than showing you guys on the driveway, but cold start though. Fucking fell. It didn't cold start. Got it. Yeah, I'm about to move it to the front though. Sheesh. I don't know if y'all ready to see La Cholita though. Boy, she looking wet. Oh my goodness. Y'all ready to see it though? Sheesh. God damn. Oh my goodness. Look at them wheels. Boy, them dumb ballers look clean. Shout out bruh for plugging me on these wheels though, man. Fuck. Came up on these things. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, dude. Bussin', boy. That motherfucker bussin'. Stop playing with me. Cholita looking good on the dubs. What y'all think, man? Drop it down in the comments. What y'all think of the new wheels? These gonna be permanent for a little while. I think so. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of these for a while. I like these. These are the ones for show. Shoo! Well, fuck it. Let's go hit up a little quick private sesh between the homies and shit. Alright, we're about to go to the private sesh right now. We got the 5-speed over there, you feel me? Got Ram. Sir, my nigga looking wet though. Sheesh. My nigga wet. My nigga wet. Okay, okay. You see the sheesh on my nigga though? You see the sheesh? Stop playing with it. Huh?
Just like butter on 4's, huh?
On 4's, not too bad on 4's, you feel me? Not too bad. Let's see what that motherfucker do. supposedly he's not good at it. Is that right, buddy? You're not good?
I suck ass at it.
Well, we're gonna find out. That no power steering life, nigga. I know that feeling. Nigga, 3 minutes straight, this nigga's been going. I'm hella weak, blood. This nigga don't give a fuck. Oh shit. It's a party. Oh nigga, I'm weak. It ain't nothing, it ain't nothing, just a little buff. You Gucci. Yeah, you Gucci, nigga. Oh, you Gucci. You didn't even do nothing to it, nigga. You just a little scratchy. A little scratch. A little nothing major. Oh, bro. Bro. Oh my god, nigga, I'm weak as fuck. Somebody's gonna hit it too. Clean, okay. Yes, sir, we out. Cholita looking good, boy. Sheesh. The double baller's looking good. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. I already did it. He said, you next. I already did it, bro. I already did it. My shit getting hot. Anyways, though. Sheesh. Well, that is going to be the end of the video, though, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. A little Sunday fun real quick, you feel me? But yeah, that's going to be this video, though. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Smash that like button, you feel me? Let's break that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And then,